Again, I start with 3 to 4 cups of vegetables. Big salad. You can't have too many vegetables. Vegetables don't have enough calories, and a lot of them are insignificant carbs. So you're not going to gain any weight by eating a lot of vegetables. In fact, you actually speed up your metabolism. I add in some spinach, some squash and zucchini. Great stuff. You could actually add in some carrots because you have enough fiber in here to actually lower that glycemic index. So if you're a carrot fan, you could put some carrots in there. Okay. I'm also a fan of alfalfa sprouts. Another great source of fiber. You know, it's whatever you prefer, but just 3 to 4 servings of vegetables is very, very important. Put it on there. You know, and even if you like a little bit of cheese, you could even put a little bit of cheese in there, and it's not really a big deal. I actually do not use salad dressing because the tuna already has enough stuff on it that it actually takes over that need for a salad dressing. And I use anywhere from a half a can to 3/4 of a can. There we go. And if you want, you can actually add in an orange as a fruit or an apple. Apples are really great. They have insoluble and soluble fiber.